SoftPlan has always allowed users to create their own custom symbols, speed notes, and other symbol types. However, previous versions of SoftPlan would not allow a symbol to be saved with the same name as an existing symbol, unless the existing symbol was first removed. Now in SoftPlan version 2022, when saving a symbol and giving it the same name as an existing symbol, the program will prompt to overwrite the existing symbol. In this example, I have a 2x6 siding wall detail that I wish to update. First, the symbol is exploded. Next, I'll edit the notes to change R20 to R26 and changing the 5/8 subfloor to a 3/4 inch subfloor. With these changes done, we'll then add the detail back into the system library by selecting File, System Options, and System Library, making sure the library type is set to Symbols. Select the existing Details and 2x6 Wall Details library, and hit the one-step button under Add Symbol. Draw an expanding box around the existing notes. From the available symbols list, locate the original 2x6 siding detail. The selected symbol name will be filled into the current symbol name. Hit OK and we'll be prompted to override the existing symbol. Select Yes. The existing symbol is then replaced with the updated version of the symbol, both in the system library and in the current drawing.